Alright guys, today is the first Halloween Disney princess look that I'm doing for Halloween 2020 and I'm kicking it off with Snow White. So to kick this off, I'm taking this dark red burnt eyeshadow color and I'm applying this over the entire eyelid. Now as you can see, I've already got my base for my Snow White look put down, which is just a very simple pretty winged eyeliner with a red lipstick. I'm obviously also wearing a black wig here and I have added a bow as this is a dead giveaway for a Snow White look. Now with that red, I am applying it over the entire eyelid and also underneath my lower waterline. And I'm really not being too careful with this, as you can see. I'm just really blending that out and making it nice and obvious both above and beneath the eye. Sticking with that same color and just applying some of it around my lips. I'm going to apply it in 3 separate areas here. And I'm blending that downwards and underneath my chin and onto my neck. And I'm also using that same color just to apply some contouring around the jawline. And with that same color as well, I'm applying a little bit of shading around one side of my forehead and just dripping it down towards my eyebrow. Then taking this dark brown eyeshadow and I'm just applying that over the top of those areas, but still leaving plenty of that dark red showing. This is just to give those areas a little bit more depth. I'm then jumping in with this white eyeliner pencil and I'm just using that to line the lower waterline on each of my eyes. And then I'm taking my black Marin Edge face paint and I'm activating this using some water on a very thin brush. And I'm using this to apply some small jaggedy lines coming down from underneath my lower waterline, as well as from around the lips heading downwards towards my chin and neck, and also from that little patch on my forehead. Now if you don't have a black face paint, you can use a black liquid liner at this point, or even a black liner pencil, just whatever you've got lying around that works for you. Okay, and we're almost at the end of this super easy look. I honestly couldn't believe how easy this one was to create. After putting down the base makeup of my Snow White, the rest of the look only took me about 10 to 20 minutes. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That is where I upload all of my reels and I'm having a lot of fun creating reels for these Disney princess looks this week. And if you do happen to recreate one of my looks for Halloween this year, be sure to tag me in it, Bridgitte K Makeup, and I will definitely do my best to give you a shout out on my Instagram and Facebook page. For the next step, I'm taking a dark grey eyeshadow on a large contour brush, and I'm just contouring into the hollows of my cheeks and bringing that right down towards my lips. I'm making this nice and dark to really enhance the look of this dead poisoned effect. I'm then just going over each of those areas of the original red eyeshadow, again just using a black eyeshadow to really darken up this look and make it stand out. And I'm finishing off this look by popping in some white contact lenses, and you can also opt for buying a Snow White costume as well, but I just went with a blue dress. And of course I had to make it look as though my apple was poisoned by adding in some black face paint after having eaten a few bites. Please be sure to give this video a like and share if you did enjoy it, and leave any requests for looks you'd like to see in the comments.